Alright guys, so back again. We're going to be pulling the motor out of blue, finally. You guys can't see it because it's dark as hell. And that will be going in the S10, even though we are missing a carb spacer. Yeah, I got it ordered. It should be here tomorrow. Yeah, thanks to Amazon Prime. So I got a 1-inch spacer, and it comes with everything. The bolts, the studs, it's basically the same thing as his, but I got it for $17. But I used my Amazon gift card from work. Thanks, work, for sponsoring my build. So that's going to go into the S10 tonight with the Turbo 350 out of blue, because we're about to pull that out. We're going to push the S10 out, leave the bed there, and they're questioning my doing.
We always do.
It will be okay. What happened to him? Where's my soda?
It wasn't the Core Sport of blue. What?
It's still there. Okay. Anyway, guys, so we're going to get this knocked out. Zach's going to film probably a little bit for JTBZ, however, JTBZ. JTBZ.
It's not that anymore, though, really.
No, it's about to be changed. It's about to be changed.
Lazy and haven't done it yet.
Yes. So.
We didn't record a single thing today.
That's okay. A little bit.
We didn't do anything important on the black truck.
Yeah,
well,
this is important. We're pulling the motor and trans out of blue. Transmission out of blue is going on that motor, going in that. So this is important. So it must be fun.
Yeah, and we got to do it all tonight so we can take the engine hoist tomorrow.
Yep.
So we can get. And then we can film.
You got to take the engine hoist tonight.
Yeah.
So you have it tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes. So you guys can film.
Yeah. So I can get my engine off the ground.
Yes.
And I can get 2 of mine pulled.
Meaning that there's going to be like a mashup of my video with their video.
Probably.
And there's going to be a mashup of my video on JTBZ as well. So there's going to be like my channel's going to have some of it, and then there's going to be over here. You guys got to follow both channels. Yeah, that's the problem.
It's forced.
It's forced at this point.
It's required.
It's required. As far as you guys haven't made like your own little channel to make it forced.
We have one. We've been thinking about posting videos to it.
You should do it.
We got 6 subscribers and we never did anything except post 1 video.
Yeah, see, I got 6 subscribers and I made like 9 videos.
We changed, we did 1 video changing the oil on his Mini Cooper and it got 9, or we got 6 subscribers and I can't remember how many views, like 50 views I think.
Must be nice. I make like 6 views per video, 9 views.
Well, our name for it is actually really catchy.
What is it?
Rusty Rods and Recreation. Yeah, go subscribe to that and we'll just start posting there.
Yeah, see, there you go. See, we got JTBZ, JTBZ. Whatever, it's going to be changing, so who cares? Yeah. And then Damn It Steiner, and you guys got
Rusty Rods and Recreation. It's getting painted on the doors of the square bodies. Yep. Like hand painted.
And the 51.
And the 51, yes.
Yes. Alright, so let's get this fucking thing pulled. Alright, so what step are we at now? After...
Step should be done already.
We're at 10:45. So, we got the motor mount bolts out, tranny mount bolts out, cross member bolts out. Everything's ready to go to get Blue's engine out. Hoist is over there. We're all tired.
I'm gonna shower.
Hey, you ain't got to work tomorrow.
No. I didn't take one last night.
Gross.
1 in the morning by the time I got home.
Well, it's gonna be that again tonight. No.
No.
Come on, don't get bummed out now.
Dude, my brain's dead now.
Why?
I'm tired.
You just got done eating.
Yeah, exactly. It's nap time.
I'm gonna quit feeding you fuckers.
How sharp does your flathead need to be?
It don't matter. Wait, are you grabbing that one that's like not a flathead?
It's like broken?
Yes, no.
What do you need it for?
To get the antifreeze radiators. To get the radiator out.
Are we about to piss fluid everywhere?
Yes.
And then we piss training fluid everywhere?
Well, just antifreeze.
There's no way we're not going to piss training fluid.
We're not. Not as much as everybody else's. Yeah, it's off.
The lower one's the one that's going to puke.
Yeah, probably. You want that?
I reckon, not that anyone can see anything.
No, they can't see shit over here.
Because we're pulling the whole engine and trans out without removing the core support. We have to get some serious angle of the dangle going.
You might want to get a drain pan. It's already pissing. And I don't even have it off yet.
Yeah, I told you it was gonna piss coolant.
We don't need that!
Well, where's the drain pan?
Damn it. Ah!
Take it out!
Get off the stupid visor, see? You gotta stupid visor some help. You need the engine hoist, don't you?
Yeah.
Then how?
We want you guys to get all the stuff that only takes 1 or 2 people to do done.
This takes 3.
Everything takes 3 people around here. If there's nothing for you to do, we'll find something.
Okay, roll.
Start sweeping the floor.
Start sounding like my work over here.
Still went everywhere, didn't it?
I caught like 20% of it.
20, caught 20%. So spilled the other 80.
If it wasn't for that pivot arm, it would have went in. But you know, it's hitting that pivot arm and splashing out from it. Whose idea was the fucking train?
Is that straight water?
No, it's antifreeze.
Okay. I was just curious.
Don't judge my antifreeze-ness. This trick I learned from race cars. Dirt track racing. Always make your bottom hose bigger than your top one, to where your top hose can just go right into your bottom hose. Can you not smell the antifreeze?
No, I can.
Yeah, I knew this was straight antifreeze. It had no water even in it. So like 4 gallons of antifreeze, and it still wasn't full. I did a quick boy for winter, remember?
What?
This truck, because I finished it right before winter time.
Yeah.
And I literally had nothing coolant-wise in it. So I filled it full of nothing but straight antifreeze, and it took 4 gallons of antifreeze.
I think you're good. Heater car. That's gonna puke.
If I was smart, I would have relieved the valve. Glad I never need to take that thing off. I would have had to call it back.
It's because I got them tiny fingies. Oh, that's got coolant in it still.
Mm-hmm.
I think. It feels like it. It's a little heavy. Yep. I thought right. Okay, now we gotta undo it from the intake as well. Can't forget about that.
Yeah, and that's when the mess is going to develop. Secretly, this is when the mess develops.
Oh, and here we go with the training fluid.
It's going to be the only training fluid on the floor.
Yeah, training fluid's a cleaner.
The cat piss special.
I don't even know what to describe training fluid as when it comes to a smell. It's hideous though. Especially when it's burnt and nasty.
Well, I can tell you right now, this ain't burnt nasty. It might be actually, I don't fucking know.
No!
Not in the schmoo.
Now we're back to the schmoo floor.
For a little bit. Alright, so where are we at now?
Too far into this.
Yep. We had to take the headers off because it was bouncing off the firewall, which everybody knows that. So, typical problem with these Chevy trucks. So, now we need Takeo
To Jackamundo.
to Jackamundo. And we made a smooth mess, like always. A big smooth mess. Ah!
Where's that go? Steiner!
What?
Your ground cable!
What? Oh. Just undo it down there.
Oh, I can't see. What am I looking at?
It's right there.
Is it a 10 by chance?
Maybe.
Should be. I don't think it
I
is.
doubt it. I think it's a 12.
Ah!
I'm sorry.
Why is it? Can I ask a dumb question?
Why?
Why is it grounded there?
Because I chose.
It's supposed to be grounded to your frame, my guy.
No, that one, that short wire is actually supposed to go to the fender. Yeah.
Oh. It's not like an S10. I don't know. Jimmy had a big ground down there on the frame.
What the fuck? So did Darlene.
I'm almost to the tool throwing stage.
Why? It's going so smoothly though.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
It really is.
We got mine out with a 5-speed manual in 45 minutes.
Yeah, but nobody, just me and Zach's working on it, barely.
It took me and him to do it by ourselves. And we got it out outside in your yard.
Yeah, but I literally did all the transmission stuff myself. You had me underneath your truck.
No, then no.
Oh.
I'm saying when we pulled it.
Oh. Well, yeah, because you were selling it. You didn't care. You just yeeted it out.
No, we did it the proper way. We did it the proper way. It only took us 45 minutes to do it. In your yard, literally over there. Oh, dear God. Seems like when we do stuff in the shop, it takes longer. It's because when we're outside, we have more motivation to get it done because we're outside. Yeah.
Well, we also stopped and we ate.
True. We tend to do that a lot.
Well, I don't think we made Thornburg any happy. Thornburg, Greta, whatever the hell the name is.
Greta, yeah.
So the tranny fell.
Hit the drain pan.
And
now we have a homicide on the floor.
Yep. We're going to start calling ourselves Homicide Garage. But Turbo 350, 350, Takeo and engine stand. Zach's getting tired and aggravated.
It's midnight. I want to go home.
I want to go home. Okay, well, we're going to yeet the engine over there, take the trans off, yeet the engine probably back there, push Blue up here.
Through the schmoo. With a flat tire that I hope we air up outside.
Huh?
Are we pushing Blue outside?
Yes.
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 So he can clean the floor.
Yes.
ASAP Mafia. So we don't have sticky, nasty
Gunky.
floor. Like we do every
It's
year.
almost to my creeper. You want to save the...
We can't get over there.
No.
You have to go through the side door.
It's like slow motion getting to the creeper. Anyway. Alright, so before it gets to the creeper, we're going to get this yeeted over there so we can get that yeeted out here.
Yeah.
So, sure.
We'll be back.
No, I'm not even going to end it. They're going to have to just watch us and watch us see us suffer at 11 o'clock at night. They're
It's midnight. It's midnight, my guy. It's 12:04 in the morning.
Living after midnight.
Keep on with that. Keep on. It's
Nah.
copyright.
We sung it, so therefore it's...
And we sung it out of key, so it's fine. Oh, okay.
Ow! My chin!
Alright. You're gonna have to stretch the chain and do it the sketchy way.
No, I'm going to have to push this back.
Ow, that was my toe.
You hit my shin. Get over it.
You're almost there.
I can't pull through the schmoo.
It should be extra little. It's so close!
Oh, I about pooped.
Okay, I'm putting it on the front one. Here, now put it on the middle one. I just moved the hoist first.
I hate you, Takeo. That fart smells right.
Oh, that's bad. Actually, you know what? No, hold on. Move it further forward. We're going on the back hole to hope. The back hole. To hopefully level it out. We're going in the back door.
That moment when your water pump can spin.
With a belt. God, Steiner.
Hey, I told you, I about shat myself.
Yeah, I can tell. It smells like somebody died.
I did. Like 5 days before I ate it, probably. Oh no!
So now we have coolant. Rusty coolant.
Well, welcome to having a life of a motor that had nothing but water in it before I got it.
You ran water in it for a while yourself. Over the past year and a half.
Alright, I think it's high enough. We're bouncing the tail shaft off the ground.
You're bouncing the pan off the ground. It's good for it. Alright, get up.
No.
Oh yeah, and we're dragging all the screw with the hoses.
You could have picked them up.
Shit, I ain't touching that.
Shit.
I've had to deal with enough train fluid myself.
Yeah.
Not my truck, not my problem.
Your extended tab?
Alright, now this is going to go up a little bit so I can get to the...
There's more than the extended cab. There's
Multiple S10s.
90% of everything that gets pulled, I have to help with.
Like you're going to help me do this.
The torque converter bulb?
You're going to turn the motor over.
It has spark plugs in it. You're welcome.
Dig them out.
You want me to keep going, or is this good?
That's good. Well, I can't turn it over range, so... Ah! I got screwed!
It looks like poo.
You know what?
Did you actually poo yourself, and that's just from you?
Oh yeah, that torque converter bolt was real tight.
Yeah, good for it. Good. That means we're not going to struggle with them.
That's a bad thing.
No, we'll struggle with the last one.
Did you just break my spark plug?
Yes.
What? I knew.
What? You did what in my truck? What? Yeah, I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that.
What's it look like? What's it look like? Is it bad? You can't leave me without knowing.
Is it blacker than the ashes left over from the Holocaust?
That is horrible.
Every time he pulls a spark plug out of his face.
It can't be that bad.
One's completely soaked!
It's got a little bit of white on it. This one on the other hand's like doused with gas.
Yeah. It's healthy.
Ultra riches. Race gas!
Start snorting them. That don't smell like race gas. It smells like the fumes out the back of my 79. Well, it's better than my engine. Well, you had one cylinder not running completely rich.
It'll be alright. That carb was...
1 out of 8's a good number. Sure.
That means it was running healthy.
On one cylinder.
Yes.
It's still not even healthy. Like
One cylinder is enough for me.
What was that?
Oof. Oof. Keep
That
going.
didn't sound good.
No, it didn't. Oh no!
Steiner, I think your engine's a little dink, my guy.
I think it is too. Watch it be a rod. Like,
And it's just flopping around.
no, it's not a rod. It's the knuckle.
Yeah.
Bolts came out of it.
Yeah, and it's sitting in the oil pan and it's just been flapping around. What? What's your synopsis on this torque converter? Because you said that bolt wasn't even tight. It's been the loose bolts the whole time, Steiner. I bet.
Well, I'm on a bolt right now, so don't move it.
Because, you know, torque converters go knock, knock, knock when they're not tight. Yeah.
Well, this one's...
Well, I don't like autos because they're deceiving. They make you think your engine's bad.
Well, we'll find out once we get these bolts out.
Well, if there's 2 out of 3 loose, then you know that it was torque converter.
Well, this one wasn't exactly loose.
I don't know, we'll know after we get the torque converter unbolted and we spin the motor, and if it still goes clack.
I think it's flex plate, boys, because I'm loosening this bolt and the flex plate's popping.
Okay.
I think we broke the flex plate around the crank.
Nice. The motor probably isn't even bad.
Why not?
So they just pulled the engine for no reason.
Probably.
All we needed to pull was the tranny.
Yeah, and we have a tranny jack for that.
You're right. Well, it'd been hard with that lower ass truck. Alright, go for it.
Notice I got a claim here to help me from taking another bolt out? Stop.
Yeah. Oh, fuck me. Come on.
What?
He was like finger loose.
Called it!
2 out of 3 were loose.
This is the second time this
The third one was, well, the second one wasn't even loose or tight either, because it's not like I was fighting him.
This is the
He literally
second time this thing's played this trick on me.
It's a sign to put a manual in it.
Yes.
No, I'm not putting mine on blue.
And we'll swap the world.
That's
Yes.
never gonna happen.
We're not wearing our shirts today like we were yesterday. Darn it.
I don't think it's that, to be honest with you.
Probably not.
I don't know. But I don't know. But I also realized I kind of derped.
Why?
We're gonna have to set the motor back down now.
Why?
And put it at like the center, because when we pull the train off, it's gonna go whoop!
Yep.
And that's gonna piss all the coolant. Well, back down we go.
It's great time.
We've done this how many times? We should be getting better at this, not worse.
Well,
Every time we do it in the garage, we get worse.
There's a wrench under your oil pan. You might want to move that.
yeah, probably. So, we ran into 2 of the 3 torque converter bolts looser than hell. So, hopefully that wasn't just what was making all the noise.
Wouldn't surprise me.
I'm still going to turn into the motor and make sure. Easy. Alright, well, we're going to take the trans bolts off, slide the trans off, because the torque converter is off. So that means next would be the 305 coming off. Yay! We're about to find out whether or not the flex plate's going to work.
Or if that one's even broke.
So we got the transmission off, and we're going to be moving that out now. So
Yeah, and we gotta do musical motors now.
so here we go.
Yeah.
Yay.
If that falls, it'd be okay.
Musical motors.
Pain. All I feel is pain.
Pain.
Masochism.
Pain.
Spare chain.
What do you got to say to Biden?
Nothing. Let's go, Brandon.
Taco, you're really doing a lot.
I can't get over there.
Oh, come around the schmoo with me.
I don't want to go around the schmoo. I think I'll go around this way.
Yo! Of course, I'm gonna get over here, man. You're gonna have the truck far enough.
Yeah, of course.
What the fuck? It's like we hit the brakes.
What did we just hit?
The jack?
Did the drive shaft just get wedged in the gas tank?
Like
Oh.
on the Jimmy?
Is there a ratchet under there?
The ratchet strap.
Oh, the ratchet strap shouldn't do that.
It is when it's ratchet strapped to the frame.
Oh.
We just hit some instant brakes. Alright, Zach, push it.
Fuck.
Just enough to get it off the muscle man.
We've only got like another 2 feet.
Come on. Woo! Oh, a little bit further. Good.
We're good.
Tie it
Awesome.
to the mirror. Tie it to the mirror.
Oh!
We'll just like wrap it around
Watch
the
you
mirror.
catch again and rip the fucking mirror off.
Oh god. Yeah, never mind.
Don't get friends. They just torture you.
Friends are fun.
No, they're not.
I'll hold the ratchet strap up.
You have
Yeah,
boots.
we're
You're
gonna have
in
to-
the schmoo.
We're gonna have to turn the steering wheel.
God dang it.
Friends make me believe there is no God.
Zach, will you turn the steering wheel?
Yeah, you have boots on. You're the only one that prepared.
Just turn the key and turn the steering wheel. I think keys in it. Keys in it?
Probably not.
Awesome. All
Why
right.
does that turn so nice?
Because it's on top of training fluid.
Oh yeah.
All right, turn back the other way, slowly. smooth back here.
Are we ready for slip and slide 5.0?
Oh, dude, Zach is like buried in it. Hey, look, there's my tranny crossover. Look how fat that back tire is.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's like a 315 or whatever.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
On a two-wheel drive truck that doesn't make enough power to need a tire that big.
Love this next time.
Don't slip. I said don't slip.
I'm not doing it.
Do what I said, bitch!
Oh!
Oh! Ah! Ah! We need some, what is the,
Oh, well, I guess that's our cue to stop.
we need some track bike.
We need some schmoo gone. Everybody,
Yeah.
I wonder what Granton would say.
Yeah, see, we're still not on Melman's level.
No, Melman's level was literally from here all the way up to where you are. And then all the way over there by the door.
This is about as bad as Frosty's brother's truck.
Yeah.
That's motor mount.
Always something going on down in the trailer head. And anyone would agree that car guys are the dumbest breed.
Yeah.
That's kind of offensive.
I'm offending myself over here, right?
He's speaking the truth.
I'm about to break
You
everybody's
shouldn't hurt your
eardrums.
feelings if it's true.
Remember when I used to skate around on this thing and now it doesn't barely even roll?
No.
I blame Melman.
Yeah, Melman's gone, so we can blame everything on him.
Okay, so what is
He's
the
video
plan?
gaming. Alright,
Not even
Not
working.
that.
He's going to California.
What are we doing with that engine?
that engine's coming off of that and getting bolted to that
Okay.
and getting stuffed over
And
here.
then that
For
engine's
now.
getting bolted.
That
to
engine's getting on that.
Okay.
So
And
we
then
gotta
we're
drop
taking
that,
this
pick
home.
that up, put
Then
that.
what we gotta do is then bring it back.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I don't think we're going to need it till I get the motor mounts from you guys.
Yeah.
The frame mounts. I got motor mounts, but not the frame mounts.
Yeah,
so
we
I
we,
forgot to grab those.
And then you're getting bolts.
yes.
You just
Which
need
I
six
can
bolts.
find over there in like the gunkiness.
Worst case, I can be a nice friend and go to Wagner's and get you 6 bolts with nuts.
It's a good kind.
Yeah, I can get you grade 8s. It's up to you. Do you want grade 8s or just
Bolts.
stainless?
Bolts. I don't care. Blue's outside.
Yeah,
That's
pain.
surprising. That's
All
surprising coming from you.
all I feel is pain.
Pain. All I feel is nothing but pain.
Mm-hmm.
My poor trans member.
It almost smacked you in the head.
Sure did. It about knocked me the hell out.
Us trans crossers said, "Fuck you."
Fuck you, bitch. You broke my heart. That's probably what Blue's saying to me right now.
God, that's what Minus Ken's been singing for the past 5 years.
Fuck. I got the tranny bolted down. Now we're getting to the torque converter on the 305. We got a manual valve body 350 on a 305.
You know what we didn't do?
What?
Move the whole back one hole
What do you mean?
on the engine blades.
It'll be alright.
Just fucking send it. Okay. Tired of this shit. Actually, right there is fine. Why are we still going up?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Where are we?
No one said stop.
Stop.
No means yes, and yes means harder.
Yep. Yes means no. Sometimes.
You like my analysis there?
No.
Wait, what did you say?
No means yes, and yes means harder.
And then I said no.
I've been with a girl like that before.
Oh.
There was fair warning before. No means yes, and yes means harder.
Sir. PG-13. Ouch! I just deafened everybody over this.
Dude, this thing ain't fucking turning.
Listen, don't turn it by that, please God, no.
It just keeps turning the bolt.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. You'll strip out my crank.
Yeah.
Don't.
How else am I supposed to turn it over?
By hand?
Normally turn
Fuck
them
no.
over. That's how you normally turn them over.
There's one of your bolts. You just need to line up your torque converter. There, you passed it. Right there.
Whoa.
Flee, flee. No, not flee, flee.
You see how big of a gap there is
No,
between the converter and flex plate?
no.
Zach,
I'm gonna ignore it.
it's not a good thing.
It's not ours, we're ignoring it.
As long as it's clicked all the way in, it's fine.
Yeah.
I'm serious. The bolts will pull the slack out.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I promise.
We'll find out.
It's not that far, right?
It's enough to where it's like pretty much the whole thread of the freaking bolt.
One thread is like a millimeter. That will be fine. Maybe pause the song. That was a good one.
Well, you can unpause it now, I guess. Alright, have fun turning it over now.
It don't.
Yes, it does.
No, it don't. No, it don't. No.
Now, here, you do this.
Finally.
Did you get turned over?
He's gonna poop himself.
You okay?
I don't like this angle. My butthole feels vulnerable. Oh my god. Shit!
Here.
If you show me up on this, I'm gonna be pissed.
Okay. Here, you hold this so I can show you up on camera.
Oh, yeah, Steiner poops himself. I'm getting up.
Oh, he's going backwards, that bitch.
Holy shit.
Yeah! I think something's making contact.
I don't think anything's making contact. I just feel like I might have that freaking...
My head wants to make contact with my bed.
Might have that a little bit too far in.
I don't think you can make it go too far in.
Fuel pump's good. Wait.
I don't think that's the fuel pump.
Yeah, it is. Put your down here.
It's the fuel pump.
See, you can only turn it so far.
You know what?
See? And he was getting all angry at me. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Ouch.
And here he was getting angry at me, like, oh, you're going to strip out my... Okay, yeah, no, I wouldn't do it. No, stop. Now I'm uncomfortable. And it's not even my motor.
Oh, we're back to the same bolt we were at.
You didn't have that problem with the manual. It's like a frog. Burp.
Oh my god.
That's official. The motor's name is the Gratitoad.
The
Gratitude.
the what?
The
The
Gratitoad off of Big Mouth. The Gratitoad.
Why is this so hard to turn over?
Because the Gratitoad's a frog.
And frogs don't turn over very easily.
Shut up! God.
Yeah, your viewers are getting some prime content right here.
Yeah, we're all half asleep.
I can't turn over at 305! God!
Never thought we'd be saying that.
I know there's nothing wrong with the inside of this motor because we tore it apart. I did.
Is the transmission in gear?
That wouldn't matter. Torque converter. You know, slip-o-matic.
Oh yeah. Your application to faith.
Displaced faith.
Yeah, displaced faith. That.
You just crushed a finger. It went between the harmonic balancer and the timing cover.
Yeah, that hurt. That was a good one.
You don't need all 10. We got 10 for a reason, so we can lose a few.
Wow.
If 9 don't work, 10 never would have.
Yeah. You only need one hand anyway.
I like how it only turns over a certain amount.
The Gratitude isn't happy.
Ow, my finger hurts.
He wants to go to sleep. He's like, leave me alone.
Hey, quit turning me over.
He's like, I thought my life was over when they pulled me out of that square body. You know how hard my life was?
I was in a camper special. I drove everywhere.
Oh
At least you're not a big block Mopar. Out of a camper.
Out of a motorhome.
Yeah, we'd be sticking a blower on his ass.
No, please, no.
Anything but that. 10. When we feel like death.
Well, we have completed tonight's work.
Other than loading that thing and
Moving the S10 back in
getting
here.
the S10 back in here.
I think we can get the S10 back in here without putting it underneath the bed. I think.
Oh, we should be able to. We still gotta air up the tire though.
Well, the battery is dying. It is almost 2 a.m. We got that motor set and ready to go in the S10. That motor's out of Blue. Blue's out there. I gotta clean the bed off of her. They're tired. We gotta get the engine hoist in the back of Zach's truck, which is lifted.
Yeah.
And then we gotta get the S10 back in that little space right there. And I have a lot of cleaning to do after they leave. So I'll probably be up till 3. It'll be alright.
I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and die.
Yeah, I gotta be at work at 5 in the morning on New Year's.
Today's the 31st.
Yeah, so I gotta be at work
It's New
anyway.
Year's Eve.
Yeah, so you don't work New Year's Day. Because New Year's Day is Saturday.
Maybe. Last minute overtime day.
Fuck
Alright.
off!
Anyway, guys, that's gonna end it for this video. We got everything that we need done for, you know, the week. And then now we're enjoy the weekend because I have the weekend off. So
Well, we have more work tomorrow,
Yep.
but
they got their own stuff at their own house.
we might film some, we might
Yep.
not, I don't know.
A little of this is gonna be on both channels. So schmoogoo, and we're out of here.
Fuck your life!
Bing bong!